right, welcome back to Thunder RC. This is the episode that you have been waiting for. This is the maiden run with the new Rovan E LT. And she is a beauty, y'all. I went ahead and soldered up some XT90s just because I had some 4S lipos with XT90s on it. Be running 8S today with the stock gearing. Check that out, y'all. Spiral tooth pinion gear and spur gear, helical cut. Never seen that before. Very cool. And I did a little bit of body work. I like the clean look. I put a little bit more black vinyl on the hood, and I just wanted it to look simple and clean. I didn't like the window decals, so I kind of blacked those out. I think it looks epic. We got the mini death ramp. These are the stock tires that come with it. Let's see how fast it is on 8S. Oh, looks like I came unplugged. Yep, I should have taped my connector. This thing's taking it, y'all. Wow, guys, this thing is actually super tough. It reminds me of my 30 degree north. Stock out of the box, it rips too. Diffs might need some tuning and a few other things, but that goes with any RTR. This truck rips, y'all. Wow, it even knocked me over. What a beast. Okay, everybody, I'm very happy to report that there was no breakages today. This thing is pretty tough, I have to say, out of the box. It took more of a beating than I thought it would. I mean, I jumped it pretty high off the mini death ramp. You have to take into account that this thing weighs about 45 pounds. This is a massive truck, y'all. And did have a little sideways landing in the grass. Did nothing to the drive shafts or the arms. Look how beefy and solid this truck is. Man, y'all. Go to Fearless RC and pick one up. You will not be disappointed. The metal chassis braces are such a nice touch, and this battery box is epic. Your lipos will never fly out. I'm really digging the spiral cut gears. We'll see how long they last. But yeah, that's going to conclude this video. Chassis seems to be straight still. I have to put a straight edge on it, but what a fun setup. And I'm really digging these tires. They're great for the street. They're not bad on the grass either. They do slip around and drift, but man, it's fun drifting this truck. I'm probably going to play around with different tires soon. I want to put the Magmas on this beast. But, wow, there's going to be more content soon. The first maiden voyage was a 10 out of 10. I'd say that's perfect success. Way to go, Rovan. All right, leave in the comments down below. What do you think of this rig? And we'll catch you next time. Peace out, guys.